Good day, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Get Motivated with Aisha. Today is a special day because I am here at Beautwealt Electronics Innovation class, where creativity meets passion. And I'll be questioning some of the beautiful minds in attendance. Now, let's meet our innovators.
Good afternoon. My name is Aisha of Gmwa. I own a YouTube channel, Get Motivated with Aisha. And what I do on my YouTube channel is I post regular motivational and inspirational content to give you the little push you need in your journey. And I'll be questioning you today on the innovation class. So, firstly, can you introduce yourself to the viewers?
Okay, hello everyone. I'm Ramat Alade from Electronics and Computer Engineering Department.
My name is Emmanuel Ofubutu. I'm from 100 Electronics and Computer Engineering Department in LASO, 100 level.
Another level student of electronics and computer engineering.
Olalekan Oluwapelumi. I'm an 100 level student of Aeronautic and Astronautic Engineering.
So, with the way things are progressing right now, technology is like developing rapidly. So, it's very advisable for any individual to be aware of things like this because you can't remain ignorant of things like this. You have to be aware. And also, I'm in the engineering field, meaning that I'm more exposed to technology. So, I have to start from now. Start from now. So, by the time I progress, I can see several opportunities and things like that.
Being in the like say tech industry, it's always been my dream, and also I've always loved this electronic components, working this electronic stuff. That is what even made me to venture into this course actually.
I'll be honest going to take like the robotics aspect and the coding aspect.
Actually, as an aspiring aeronautic and astronautic engineer, I do need it for to up my knowledge of
Okay.
engineering.
Team 3, Tech Legions. We are going to win though.
Okay. I love the spirit.
I'm the elite team.
Group 13, group tech 13.
I belong to the tech warriors. Actually.
Wow.
Oh well, I don't know if any other group did this. We made our own ID card, we gathered money, and then we
Okay.
printed.
There is this teamwork among us right from the time we've been selected as a
You are the best.
We were unique because like we were the first to get what we were doing right, and
Wow.
we all our members actually did it correctly.
Well, I think the most interesting thing so far was when I connected my LED bulb and then the thing lit up.
Oh,
So it was like after everything, after watching someone do it, I was able to do it on my own. So that was
That's
actually very
nice.
nice for me.
I love the introduction to the electronics components that he did for us today, and in fact, we were able to like will I say put the theories that we've been taught in school. We were able to put it into practicals today. Like where we were doing our SS1, they taught us about circuit diagrams, and we were able to implement those things in real life things with when we have our breadboard and the different electronic components. We were able to do the things we were working out.
Learning new things like this, my first time I'll be doing all this practical.
I think that would be following instructions because the instruction might look so simple, but then until you actually try, then you see that you have to pay attention.
I wanted to like do it based on the reasoning and the knowledge I got from YouTube. I saw that there are some things that were different.
The breadboard was kind of challenging at first.
Yeah.
You see how they want very very interesting, and this is just the introduction. So I'm excited to see what day 2 has to offer. And I trust Olababa, I trust Beautwealt. I'm very sure it will be very interesting.
Okay, tomorrow is about introduction to robotics. So I'm very very happy about tomorrow.
Did electronics today. So I'm going to do professional to robotics. And I by like at the end of this learning I want to like do the robotics myself.
Okay. So that.
I would just like to tell them that maybe the next year innovation class they should try and register for it, like, because
That's how
it's
innovation.
actually the best of all I've gone.
If you are not able to like meet up with this innovation class for this year, you can meet up for the one for next year, or probably you can meet the CEO of Beautwealt Electronics to put you through.
Technology is gradually developing, so each one of you have to be aware of these things. You can't want you must not remain in the dark about things like this. It's very, very important to be aware because you can find opportunity anywhere. So if you don't know anything about it, then it's going to be on the bad side for you.
Okay, my name is Abdul Koforola from Department of Chemical and Polymer Engineering.
My name is Ayindikwe Fisher from Emmanuel. I'm a 100 level student actually. Mechanical engineering.
My name is Olatimi Kende, a 100 level student from the Department of Electronics and Computer Engineering.
My name is Alagbeso and I'm 100 level student of Electronics and Computer Engineering.
My name is Garba Fatia. I'm from Electronics and Computer Engineering, and I'm in Group 20.
I'm Ultola Yomide Daniel, aka Lenio from Chemical and Polymer Engineering Department. My name is Chukwumarize John Praise. I'm 100 level student of the Department of Electronics and Computer Engineering.
My name is Jeremy Amide from Mechanical Engineering Department.
The class was innovating. So like I learned a lot. In fact, words can't actually express how the class was.
So it's really interesting. Like I saw a lot of things that I did not expect at all. Like we had a lot of challenges, but the challenges were something really, really, really minor, but by we thank
It was very interesting.
Everything was lit, to be honest. It was superb. I really enjoyed the class. From introduction to basic electronics to today, everything was awesome.
The part was when Ola Baba talked about the robotics. Like when I heard the word robotics, I used to feel like there's more to this. And the way he summarized everything and touch every part of it is make it so exceptional.
interesting part for me was recoupling the robots back. After dismantling it, recoupling.
The movement of the robot, the wheel robot,
And the challenge that I had was we didn't notice that the rotors were misplaced. So we already coupled this finish before we found out, so we had to disassemble it.
Wow, today we learned how to build up a robotic car. That's actually four-wheel. Then we dismantled it and were able to build it up. Okay, today's class was actually so innovative. I've been looking forward to this even before now.
Today we learned how to program the Arduino. It was interesting, it was fun, and I enjoyed it.
Yeah, today's class was amazing and it was mind blowing.
My advice to everyone is that when we see this kind of opportunities, we should just grab it.
I would advise anyone that is still doubting that innovation class is a waste of time, because they will tell you that YouTube will help you. YouTube will not help you. What they are teaching us here, you will never find it on YouTube. You never find it on YouTube.
We should not sleep on robotics, like robotics is the future.
Any opportunity you have to learn tech, please do.
any opportunity to learn and to innovate, you should take.
Never ever waste your time on one thing. Always give out to innovate. Innovation is the key. Now I really into the technology world. Like it is interesting, honestly. You have to innovate. That's just